In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refresh and hard refresh Google Chrome in a super simple way. If a web page is not loading correctly, showing old content, or just acting weird, these two shortcuts can save you a lot of time. And before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to any website you want to test. This can be a page that is loading slowly, a page that looks outdated, or even a page where changes are not appearing properly. Now let's start with the normal refresh. You can do this by clicking the refresh icon next to the address bar. It's the circular arrow button, and it tells Chrome to reload the current page. You can also use the keyboard shortcut F5. When you press F5, Chrome will refresh the web page normally and reload the latest version it can access. This is the quickest option for most everyday situations. If the page only needed a simple reload, this is usually all you need. But sometimes a normal refresh is not enough. If the page is still showing old images, broken styling, or content that refuses to update, then you need a hard refresh. A hard refresh forces Chrome to ignore some cached files and pull fresh data directly from the website. To do that, press Ctrl and F5 on your keyboard. On some systems, you can also use Ctrl, Shift, and R. Both of these shortcuts perform a hard reload in Chrome. When you use them, Chrome will reload the page and clear cached files for that page so you can see the newest version. This is especially useful for developers, designers, and anyone who needs to check updated website content. So remember the difference: normal refresh with the refresh icon or F5, and hard refresh with Ctrl plus F5 or Ctrl plus Shift plus R. If you're troubleshooting a site, start with a normal refresh first, and if that doesn't work, move on to the hard refresh. That simple workflow can solve a lot of browser issues in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Chrome and computer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.